In Business Central, we do have the ability to apply dimensions across multiple records at once. Let's take a look. In the customers list, I've currently turned this into a list view. And if I was to click on the customer tab, I can see here that I've got dimensions single. And in this, you'll see currently my dimensions that are set for this customer. So customer group large, region, area 1. If I click on tray and go have a look at the same, I can say dimensions single. And here I have no dimension, and I can set this just like that. But what if you wanted to apply dimensions across a list of customers at once? I can highlight all customers. I can go customer, dimensions multiple, and I can edit the list and add in here a new dimension, which is, I've only got product type available, but we could apply that just there and hit OK. And it's now applied that dimension across all of these records. So let's have a look at School of Fine Art. Dimensions. You can now see product type food. That's how you apply dimension across multiple records at once.